Whether you're setting up customers for the first time or cleaning up your list in QuickBooks Online, this video has you covered. Today we'll show you how to add, import, and delete customers step by step, so your records stay organized and up to date. Let's get started. In this video, we'll walk through how to add a new customer manually, how to import customers using a spreadsheet, and how to delete or deactivate customers, either one at a time or in bulk. To manually add a customer in QuickBooks Online, head to the Sales tab on the left-hand menu, click on Customers, then select New Customer in the top right corner. Now, fill out your customer's details. Enter their name and contact information. If it's a company, include the business name. Add billing and shipping addresses. Under Payments, choose their preferred payment method and delivery option for invoices. Want to assign this customer to a larger group or organization? Simply check the As a Sub-Customer box and choose the parent customer from the drop-down. If the customer is tax-exempt, go to Additional Info, tick the box, and select the reason for exemption. Finally, hit Save to add them to your customer list. Have a long list of customers to bring in? Here's how to import them in bulk from Excel or CSV. Again, go to Sales, then Customers. Open the New Customer drop-down and click Import Customers. Upload your spreadsheet file. Each row should be a customer, and columns should include things like name, email, phone number, address, and opening balance. Click Next, then map each column in your spreadsheet to the appropriate field in QuickBooks. After reviewing your data, click Import, and just like that, your customer list is updated. Now let's talk cleanup, removing or deactivating customers you no longer work with. To delete one customer at a time, go to Sales, then Customers. Click the customer's name to open their profile. Select the drop-down next to Edit, then click Make Inactive. Confirm by selecting Yes, Make Inactive. To delete multiple customers at once, head back to the Customers tab. Check the boxes next to each customer you want to remove. Open the Batch Actions drop-down and select Make Inactive. Confirm your changes and done. This way, your list stays clean without permanently deleting data, which helps with reporting down the line. Managing your customer list in QuickBooks Online doesn't have to be a headache. Whether you're adding, importing, or deactivating, these steps make it quick and painless. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching!